Good morning. This is Reverend Dr. Jeff Hood. I'm here with Oklahoma death row inmate Anthony Sanchez. The date is June the 7th, 2023. The time is 9:38 a.m. Yesterday, Judge Heaton in the Western Federal District of Oklahoma ruled that Anthony was not allowed to bring on new attorneys in his case, despite the fact that his current attorneys went 6 years without speaking with him, engaging with him, or for that matter, pushing any sort of proceedings in the case. This is a time for Anthony to respond exactly how he feels, and so I'm going to let him encourage him, open the floor for him to go ahead and say how he feels.
Thank you, Mr. Hood, and good morning to you, and good morning to everybody that's listening. Obviously that was a devastating blow. Yet another devastating blow. I mean, it doesn't make no sense how I had two lawyers prepared to take this case where the state of Oklahoma did not have to pay for these lawyers. They didn't have to, the state of Oklahoma taxpayers didn't have to put the bill. And for some reason, I'm having trouble understanding the idea of me not being allowed to have the lawyers that I want to represent me. Mr. Hood, these are my words out of my mouth. I have not had a relationship with my lawyers since 2016 when they came up with this my father done it BS. They never talked to my father about it. They never talked to any of my family about it. And in 2016, Mark Barrett and Randy Coyne appealed, got denied. And, they tried to add in there that my father did it, and it got denied. I didn't talk to them again until 2017. When they once again tried to push the issue, my father being the killer. And Judge Joe Heaton, the same judge that just denied my lawyers coming on, denied the appeal too. I have not talked to him this whole time until they done this last appeal. And again, once again, saying my dad done it. But the messed up part is, instead of using help to draft up motions from other lawyers, Mark and Randy chose to wait until the very last minute and let the Attorney General get ahead of what they were doing as if they were not trying to prove my innocence. So I would rather do my own clemency myself than let Mark Barrett or Randy Coyne represent me. I am prepared to reject clemency if they represent me. If there were good lawyers like Judge Joe Heaton said, why have they not talked to my family? And especially, why after all of these years, why didn't they try to go get a statement from my father? My father stayed in my life this whole time. He never left my life. I talk to this man every single week, every Tuesday. And not one time has these so-called good lawyers attempted to talk to him or get a statement from him. Not one time. Not one time have they talked to any member of my family. And Reverend Wood, I'm gonna be truthful with you. I'd rather die than let these people, Mark Barrett and Randy Coyne, represent me. Thank you, Mr. Reverend Wood, for your time, and thank you for everybody that's listening.
Thank you, Anthony. And, it's important for me to share, to let people hear just exactly how you feel, brother. And I want you to know that we are standing with you in your attempts to secure proper legal representation. And we also are standing with you to stop the injustice that is this impending execution. Thank you, brother.